Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your rewards points on Amazon. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, let's open up the Amazon app, or of course, you can go to Amazon.com. On here, let's say we're just going to add something to our cart real quick. Let me tap on this smart controller and just hit add to cart. And I'll walk you through the steps of using those points. So tap on the shopping cart at the bottom right. And let's hit proceed to checkout. Now you'll be able to see it says place order, free shipping, tax, delivery address, and towards the bottom it says paying with this Visa. But if I wanted to use my rewards points to basically help pay for or pay for all of this, I can always basically tap on change payment method. And then it will show any of my different cards on here. On there, you can see for Chase Sapphire Reserve, it says, want to use your Chase Unlimited Rewards points for this order? I can hit learn more here. And just by doing this, all I have to do is enter in the billing zip code and tap on apply your points by default. Now, what this will do is if you have rewards points associated with any of these credit cards, then it will use those points towards your Amazon purchases, essentially making them discounted or potentially even free. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. And I'll catch you on the next one.